I welcome you all for the lecture video on the subject called cybersecurity. For the past 2 months, we were seeing many important concepts in cybersecurity. As the continuation of that video, today we are going to see one more important concept in cybersecurity, that is intrusion detection and prevention system. Yes, let's get into a video and see what are the important things about intrusion detection and prevention system. Okay. So first, let's see what is a institution. So what are the, we'll recall what is the concept of institution detection system. Yes, sir. So already we have discussed what is a intrusion detection system. That is IDS, which is nothing but the something is going to attack your that is in your network. Some unwanted thread or unwanted link is coming to your network. So identifying that thread or antivirus, I mean that virus, and giving a information to your system admin or network admin is called as your intrusion detection system. Okay, so basically intrusion means, that is the Tamil meaning of intrusion is kurukidal. So that is you're working on the internet or in any network, some unknown link or some unknown messages coming to your network. So identifying that network and telling your system admin about this threat. This is called as your intrusion. Okay, so generally when we are installing any software, like in an organization, if it is your private laptop, you can enable your firewalls. The same as in organizations, there be two roles. One is the system admin and another one is the user. So whenever you're going to install a new software, so it will ask for your system admin request. So only if your system admin give you permission to install that software, you can able to install that software in this system and you can use that. So same way in your laptop, if you're going to install any software, your firewall will stop that and it will give information to you like this. A new software is asking for a request to install, so whether you are giving permission to install it or not. So like that, we are getting some information about the unknown threats is called as the intrusion detection system. The intrusion means which is nothing but the unwanted threats which is going to affect your network. Detecting them and um, giving instruction to the system admin is called as your intrusion detection system. Okay, so what are the topics we are going to discuss in this video? First one is a definition of your institution, and what is the IDS. Already we have learned this, we are going to recall as, and IPS, how we are going to prevent that intrusion system, and types of IDS and IPS, techniques and tools and application. So these are the main topics that we are going to cover in this video. Yes, sir. First, we'll see what is your intrusion basis. First, we'll see what is a intrusion. Intrusion, which is nothing but a unauthorized access attempts. So, as already I told, you are working in some network. If any unauthorized network is going to access, requesting for your access, so that is called as your unauthorized access attempt. And next one, it can be a physical or logical. Okay, the examples of IDS, that is intrusion detection system, is malware, phishing, privilege misuse. And for to prevent this, we need a real-time monitoring system to avoid this intrusion. Okay, so this is the basic things of your intrusion. And next one is the IDS and IPS over. So already we know that IDS, which is nothing but the intrusion detection systems. It detects the attacks. It's a passive monitoring. It detects the threat and will just inform to a system admin or network admin, the network person who is. So the next one is our IPS. So IPS, which is nothing but prevents attacks. It's a active blocking. So intrusion detection system, it only identify and inform, but whereas IPS, it prevent the attacks together from defense in depth. So this is of your IDS and IPS works. So next, types of IDS is basically there are mainly four types. One is a network based IDS, and another one is the host based IDS, and the next one is intrusion prevention system, and the next one is your signature based IDS. So next one is your how we are going to how a intrusion prevention mechanism works. Yes, so already we have seen like it's uses a firewall and ACLs to block the unwanted network access. And next one is the blocking miscellaneous IPS. So unwanted, if IPS is asking request for your network, so blocking that, malware scanning, real-time alerts, and automated responses. So using this mechanism, we can prevent a intrusion concept in your network. So next, where the applications of IDS and IPS apply is. So there are mainly many applications. So some of the basics are in the network traffic processing, prevention system, threat classification, and signature matching, anomaly detection, and threat reporting. So yes, so this is the overview of this PPT. So first we have discussed what is intrusion. Intrusion detection and prevention method. So under that, first we have seen what is the intrusion, that is basics of intrusion, and we have seen this IDS, that is intrusion detection system, and the next one is intrusion prevention system, and the next one is the system context. Okay, so this is the small activity for you, that is, imagine you are a security analyst. IDS detects repeatedly login failures. So some login is coming repeatedly and it's get failure, and what you do next if it is failure repeatedly, what you will check for that, and how can we intrusion prevention system assist. So this is the small activity for you, you can try it. So next, it's a like a quiz, like assignment. Okay, so let's see what is the. There are basically two questions. First question is IDS preliminary. Yes. So what does IDS means? So already we have known that IDS, which is nothing but it's a intrusion detection system. Yes. So the obviously the option B, that is detects intrusion. So that is the answer. And for the second question, it's a IPS works in dash mode. So IPS, which is nothing but intrusion prevention system, it works in a inline mode, that in the within the network. So these are the reference website for IDS and IPS. You can refer this website and you can get a more detailed content of this IDS and IPS, that is intrusion detection system and intrusion prevention system. Thank you.